Alright guys, today we're going to be doing an install on the Revin USA shifter. This kit is for the E36. We're going to be doing it on my E46 drift car though. So there's a couple changes we're going to have to make, but nothing crazy. This is the Pro model, it's a little taller, it's got the reverse lockout, and it should be, almost dropped it, should be pretty solid. My girlfriend Megan is going to be helping me today. And yeah, let's get it.
Let's get it.
Alright guys, so this is going to be the direct fit plate that we install on the top of the chassis, and this is the plate that's going to sandwich it down from the bottom. So I'm going to go under the car with this plate, and my girlfriend is going to tighten the bolts from the top. So this plate was for the E36. The holes are a little different on the chassis than the E46, so I drilled a couple new ones to line it up. Now it sits beautifully. So we're going to take these Allen head bolts that are provided with the kit, drop them down into the 3 holes that are drilled in the chassis now, and I will go under the car and hold this plate up. She's going to tighten these bolts from the top, and then this plate will be sandwiched tight to the transmission tunnel.
Well, you took the bolts out.
Yeah, I did.
Why?
You want them back in? So I could actually push them out the top, brother. Like you're about to do right now. Oh.
We might have a problem.
What?
We're gonna need to drill out that rivet. I'm coming back. Drop your bolts in.
Alright guys, so now we've got the sandwich plate bolted up. She's tightening these bolts down from the top, and then our direct fit plate will be installed properly. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the shifter, and it'll drop onto these 6 studs that are on the direct fit plate. Just like that. And we'll be able to bolt it up. Now we take these spacers.
They're like little rails.
Yep. Drop onto there. They're notched out at the front to leave room for this front bolt. Shifter's down.
Beautiful.
What we do is there's going to be 6 nuts, and we're going to loosely tighten them here. There's adjustment forward and back. To get the shifter at the right angle.
Exactly where you want it, yeah.
Right.
But you can adjust that later too.
Yep. I just have to find you the nuts.
Yeah.
They're in a little tray.
Yeah, let me know.
Yeah, I'll let you know. There you are. Before we do that, I want to make sure that it's through the dust boot, which it just isn't. So.
Oh, that needs to go through that. I think I did. I think I'm a professional.
Facts, guys. She is a professional. So now that we've got our direct fit plate installed, our shifter is down through the dust boot. We've got it sat on these top 6 studs, and you can now slide it back and forth to get this angle the way you want it. I'm gonna adjust it where I want it, which is about right there. Not a huge deal regardless. And then we can tighten these top 6 nuts. Alright guys, we're going to get these tightened up top, and then I'm going to go under the bottom with our selector rod clip, and I'm going to get down there, we'll get it all hooked up, and we'll see how it feels. Yeah, magnet.
Want me to do it?
No.
Sorry.
I never wanted you to do it. You just started grabbing in there.
Okay.
Alright, here you
What's
go.
a bell?
We are not professionals.
I'm a professional.
Just kidding, we are professionals.
It's kind of nice. Alright, so.
I'm gonna let the car down.
It's so notchy. Wait, how do you get into reverse? Ooh, that's the lock.
You don't actually have to do that right now. We have to put set screws in to lock out reverse.
I like that lockout though. It's
Yeah.
like a Subi. Me gusta. You wanna come try?
And then a hydro right next to it.
Literally right there.
Yeah.
Like Alex's, this is right here.
Yeah.
Bro, this is gonna be so awesome. I mean, what do you drift? You drift in second or third?
Second. For most tracks.
Look at this successful Revin Short Shifter install. Crazy work. I did it all by myself. Is your door gonna hit the lift?
Oh, here.
No, we're good. Now Logan's gonna test it out. You wanna drive down the street with it? I'll record you.
She did everything right here, guys.
Ow! That hurt.
And we might need to cut this out of the video.
Ow.
What did you hit your knee on?
Your cut out doors. That hurts. Oh. From his gutted doors. Not good. I'm curious if the camera will like focus right here. He's gonna pull the car out now.
Alrighty guys, so we got everything hooked up now. The only thing I don't have in is the reverse lockout set screws, but we'll worry about that later. The super short throws. Everything's super easy to get into, and I'm a big fan, so let's go for a drive.
Going for a test drive with the new shifter. No sunroof, gutted doors.
We've got cords in the back. The belts are smacking. I like it.
I like it too. Yeah,
It's too cold.
that's okay. We tried.
Yeah.
Good shifter.
Yeah.
I guess you'll see this weekend, so. This is my new car.
Picked this thing up for my beautiful girlfriend a few days ago. Little did I know, it's a little bit of a rust bucket, so come on over. It's pretty rusty. We've got, I think what we're gonna do is replace the rear subframe, so we're gonna drop this down. We'll drop the gas tank too. And I'm gonna grind all the actual chassis rust down. We'll coat over it. We'll make sure it's not rusty anymore. The physical subframe itself is rusty, so I think we're gonna get a new one of those. My buddy's got one that I think we're gonna pick up. And we might need some new trailing arms as well, because they're a little crusty, but I might be able to clean those up. And moving forward, definitely gonna have to clean some of this up, but I think we can do that. This we can just take off, it doesn't do anything. And moving forward, we've got some rust pockets up in here, which is not ideal. If you come around, you can kind of see it up in there.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna cut most of it out, weld the plate in there, and then we'll be good. Same thing on this side. Someone already tried to cut it out, but they didn't do a great job. So we'll plate over this, we'll make it look nice. I'll drop it down in a second here. It's a M50 Vanos. It won't go over 25 miles an hour. I believe that it is messed up. Don't know what it is, don't care. Alright,
We'll figure it out.
pull it down.
Look at that ding.
We're gonna do a little more diag on this motor before we do something else with it. We won't go over 25 miles an hour. thinking it's a fueling issue. That, or maybe the ECU is cutting out at 25. So maybe I'll try to switch out this ECU for a different one. It's the 413 DME. So yeah.
Sounds good.
The interior in this thing.
We've got the red.
The rear half behind the B pillar is completely gutted, and then we've got some E46 convertible seats. I think maybe they're E90 seats.
Match our valve cover there.
Hop in.
Hop in.
Megan's first time in her new car. She's very excited. Yeah, we're gonna be converting this to a drift car for her.
Wow, loving this. This is so different.
And yeah, so it's got an E46 M3 steering wheel. Probably get rid of that. New car. Who dis?
This me.
5-speed. Factory 5-speed.
What's in here? Get rag?
Yeah. Shit rag.
What do you want to put in it?
I got a spare ZF we can put in.
No, like she's pretty. Like she's, I mean, obviously she's a little dirty, but she clean.
Oh, she's not too
For a drift car, is she good?
There's a little pinch here from the hood, but you know, whatever.
As one does.
Crack the windshield.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna see if we can get someone to sponsor us to run an angle kit on this thing. Maybe Max Peating rods. We'll figure that out.
Women in STEM. Max Peating rods, help me out. We need angle kit. Hey guys. Oh. Okay, new car, new shifter. E36. This was my first day seeing it. I'm very excited.
Yep. This is our first shit box. Never had a shit box before.